as Chuck and Joe reenact the wing walking from the 20s and the 30s, between the war period, the golden age of aviation. And that particular airplane, the Stearman, primary trainer, or KDAT 75, was used in a lot of air shows during that period. Chuck will now demonstrate the climb out. No parachute, no safety rope. A man who is used to heights, being aligned when there he is climbing out now, using the mountaineer stance, a three-point stance. He walks the wing, wave to Chuck, wave some encouragement. There he is, out on the end of the wing, and there he is. See what he's doing? Now again, is that airplane